In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your Facebook profile on any Android phone. Locking your Facebook profile is a great way to quickly boost your privacy. When your profile is locked, only your friends can see your full-size profile picture, cover photo, and most of your posts and information. People who aren't your friends will only see a very limited version of your profile. So let's walk through exactly how to set this up on your Android device. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to secure. If you have multiple accounts, double-check the profile picture in the top corner so you don't accidentally change settings on the wrong one. Next, you need to go to your profile page. To do this, tap on the profile icon or your name, usually found at the top of the home screen or in the menu. This will open your personal profile where you see your profile photo, cover photo, and your posts. On your profile page, look for the three dots icon, usually located next to the Edit Profile button. Go ahead and tap on those three dots to open more profile options. This is where Facebook keeps extra tools and settings related just to your profile. In this menu, scroll until you see an option called Lock Profile, or something very similar. Facebook sometimes updates the wording, but it should clearly mention locking your profile. Tap on that option. If you don't see it right away, scroll slowly and look carefully, as it can sometimes be a bit hidden among other tools. Once you tap Lock Profile, Facebook will show you a screen explaining what profile locking does. Take a moment to read this so you understand the changes. It will mention things like limiting who can see your photos and posts, and restricting access to your full profile if someone is not on your friends list. After you've reviewed the information, tap the button to confirm and lock your profile. Facebook will apply the changes immediately. You should see a confirmation message saying that your profile is now locked. To double-check, return to your profile page. You'll usually see a small lock icon or a message indicating that your profile is locked. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same three-dot menu and choose to unlock your profile using the same steps. And that's it. You've successfully locked your Facebook profile on your Android phone, giving yourself an extra layer of privacy and control over who can see your information.